welcome back. Another video. Today is our first mod on the F150. I'm doing it so quick I didn't even get my license plates in yet. That's how fast we're doing the first mod, but it's fine, don't worry about it. So we did an install. This is actually after the fact. We're filming the intro after the fact. So if you want to see, if you're here just for the sound clips, we'll put the timestamp in the description if you just want to hear the sound clamps, if you don't need the install at all. But install, super easy. It's 3 bolts. It's more of a pain in the ass just to whack it out of there than it is to, you know, do anything else. So went in, it's not that much louder. I didn't expect it to be anything crazy. It's not a full exhaust system. It's, I mean, it's like what, that long? Yeah. So it's not, you know, nothing too crazy. It is an EcoBoost. First thing, initial notice is the turbo noises. Yeah. I definitely can hear the turbo more, unless I'm just listening to it more, but definitely it sounds like I can hear it more. But we'll do no cold start. I mean, if you want to hear it at high idle, just rev it a little bit. We'll do a warm start. We'll get some flybys, some revving, and
let's really quick throw those install clips right here,
yeah,
just so you guys can see. Alright guys, so we are, my hand's in the way. So we are under the car, and as you can see, we have this big
resonator.
That's a big resonator on this car.
It's a pretty easy install from what I've read and what I've seen. It's just pain in the butt because of rust. So you got to take off this 15, these two at the front, and then you got to wiggle it counterclockwise, and then you just got to like wiggle it up and down and pull it out of here. Once you do that, then you just, you know, slap in the new one, put in that end, 2 bolts, clamp, done. So it's gonna be kind of a pain in the butt to get this out, but pretty easy. It's just, you know,
1-for-1 replacement.
Yeah.
And all that new hardware that FactionFab supplied with the kit, it looks really good.
Yeah. The other thing that's nice is they make like 3 different sizes of the pipe. Some of them they just come long and you got to measure and cut. FactionFab says, like, okay, you have the 4-door Super Crew with the whatever size bed, you need this size. Or if you have the single cab in that bed, you need this size. So you don't even have to cut it, which is very, very nice.
Yeah. Alright, so here is the new setup. We have the FactionFab mid-pipe, non-resonated mid-pipe in. We got the supplied donut gasket, fits perfectly. We have our new stainless steel hardware, bolts and nuts. And she's looking good.
Yeah, look at that. Just gotta tighten up that side, and then we'll tighten up this, you know, little by little, get the donut to squish in.
Yep.
But I like this for now. Let's get the other side tight.
So both sides are completely in. One key thing you guys want to make sure when you're using these donut gaskets is that you're tightening both sides evenly. So tighten this side a little bit, tighten the other side, just make sure that it's being crushed perfectly even across all of those corners and all sides. On this side, pretty straightforward. We're just making sure that big clamp, the V-band clamp, is just, again, even. We don't want to crank this super tight because we can actually pinch the metal. So just, you know, good hand tight all the way around, making a good seal, and you should be good. First start with the new FactionFab Resonator Delete. So already the tone sounds really good. It's just a little bit deeper, a little throatier. You can hear it a little bit better. Idle, pretty quiet, really nice. Ooh. my god, it sounds so good.
Definitely opened it up enough.
Yeah.
I'm really happy with that.
And it'll break into a little more too.
Yeah, exactly.
Still, that sounds so good. I can't wait to hear it on throttle.
Exactly.
Are we doing some drive-bys?
Yeah, we're gonna do. Yeah, we'll do drive-bys, flybys, everything. Rev clips.
Flybys, not
flybys. Yeah.
Jesus.
I also will get the GoPro set up like right here, so you can get some GoPro shots, and we'll go to our nice, fun Mexico road.
Yeah.
And go have some fun.
All right. So we will see you guys in. Oh, focus. We'll see you guys in 18 hours when we get to Mexico.
Oh yeah, you're right. Duh, idiot. This is the FactionFab 3-inch Resonator Delete. They make for the F150. They make it in all 3 sizes. I think it's 3 sizes, depending on what your cab and your bed situation is, depending on what your configuration. I have the 5.5 foot bed and the 4-door, which is the Super Crew. They make one for the extended cab and I think both bed sizes. I don't think maybe they don't make the single cab. I'll have to check. We'll put the sizes down here so you can see. But yeah, so far, I mean, it's great. Stainless steel. Came with all the hardware that you need. Install was a breeze, really. All right, let's hear what this thing sounds like.
Yeah. So definitely a lot of tone coming through. Really sounds good. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but you can definitely hear some of the turbo flutter, which actually sounds really, really good. Like you said, not a massive difference, but definitely one that's noticeable. It deepens the tone. It sounds really good.
Well, I hope you guys liked how that sounds a little bit louder. I don't know how to sound. How does it sound for you, Kevin?
I think it sounds great.
All right.
You can definitely hear a lot more turbo coming through. The tone is deeper.
Yeah, so it definitely helped. I mean, I'm probably gonna do a full exhaust at some point. I'm not sure yet. It's tough with this truck because it is the V6. There really is no exhaust. It's like, wow, that sounds amazing. So it actually matters which one you get to try to get it to sound somewhat decent. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff coming for this truck. And yeah, so.
Is that a hint, Kyle?
No. I was just admiring.
Oh, okay. Just looking at the stock tires. And
Yeah, just looking. You know,
okay.
Just checking on them, make sure they're still here. Yeah, so please like and subscribe so you can follow this build, Kevin's build, Scott's, Jeff's. We're trying to expand the channel a little bit more and have more cars on. So if you're near us and you got a cool car, send us a message on Instagram. We'd like to do like a little spotlight video on your car. So yeah, let us know. We'll see you next week. Peace.